All right guys, what's up? We're back in the shop today with the shop track car M2 build. We're doing some service and preventative maintenance today. We've got a new DCT suction filter, new DCT pan with magnets. We've got the side gasket for the mechatronics unit to cover the mechatronics unit. And we also have the side filter cap and new circlip there to hold that all together. So these 4 parts paired with some new fluid is going to complete, well, almost complete our transmission service. We also have something special coming. I don't know that it's going to make it in this video, but it has to do with the DCT. I wonder if you guys can guess it. If you can, mention it down below in the comment section. Let's see who gets it right. Those of you that get it right, we may send you a goodie bag. We'll see. Stickers, shirts, who knows what's going to be in it. But yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention too. I got this ECS Turner magnetic drain plug for the plastic pan here to just help, even though there's already a magnet in there which grabs a lot of the particulates and metallics that are going to be floating around the oil. I'm doing this as extra insurance for when I do a service later on in the future. If I just decide to do a drain and fill, I'll have a magnet that I can clean and hopefully get some of that debris out of the transmission. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get these new parts on there. We'll give you a quick look at what it looks like right now. So we've gone ahead and remove the transmission pan, drain the fluid obviously. We have our old filter here. There is a suction jet pump that goes right in front of that, which I'll show you over here. This is your suction jet pump. When you do pull these out, you want to make sure that there's no cracks or anything in them. I've pulled them out before and had some hairline cracks. So you want to make sure all that stuff's good. But yeah, basically what we're going to do is just go ahead and reassemble everything. Filter, suction jet pump, oil pan. We're going to do the side filter that's on this side here. It's where the side filter goes in this little cartridge area. It's held in with a circlip, which we've already removed. And then we have these, this panel here on this side, which has that side seal on it, which to be honest, honestly isn't leaking, probably doesn't need to be done. But since we're doing it, we have the transmission fluid out, we might as well just do it now. So let's go ahead and get this thing back together so we can get this car on the road again. Woo. If you like this video, be sure to check out the next one, and if you haven't subscribed yet, Be sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks, and see you in the next one.